Introducing the 2024 Ford Kuga Titanium 5D 2.5phev225 S6.2 CT in stunning blue. This petrol chock plug-in hybrid electric MPV is loaded with features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking for comfort and safety. Luxurious trim, LED lights, and a privacy glass add style and security. With ABS, multiple airbags, and lane departure, warning for peace of mind. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this incredible Ford Kuga.